Hey guys, here's your quick tutorial to the line dance, another bar song. Starting with our right, point, touch, side touch left, to our left, side together, side touch right. Heel switches right and left, heel together, jazz box quarter turn to our right, cross, back, quarter, step. Modified K-steps with clap, diagonal clap, back diagonal clap, side clap, close right and left together. Heel splits, both heels, out, in, step forward right, touch left, point left, touch, side, touch with right. And you begin the dance again.